Microdrones is specialized in solutions, so we produce the drone and we integrate the best sensors. That together comes down to a package that is specifically made for your application.
Microdrones is specialized in packages. It's not only the drone, it's the drone and the best sensor which is out there in the market.
We're not a drone provider, we're not a system integrator, we are all of the above, including end-to-end workflows for the surveying and mapping, construction and oil and gas.
The mdMapper1000 is best constructed for surveying and mapping. Our clients mostly use it for precision agriculture, construction, inspection and surveying the land. In Microdrones, we are best known for wind and weather resistancy, so we can fly in cold and heat, in rain and snow. It's very durable, since it can fly up to 45 minutes depending on the payload, and it is very robust due to the carbon fiber body of the drone.
I am very impressed about the mdMapper1000 because of the stableness and the reliability of the system, and it's easy to use.
The mdMapper1000 impressed us because the technology inside the drone is very good, and the camera is a very high resolution camera with 42 megapixels, and this allows us to fly in a very high height, and so we get very good results in processing the data.
So the workflow for our products, for our packages is plan, fly, process and visualize.
We plan the mission on our tablet. Then we fly the mission automated. We process the data through post-pack, for example, and then we visualize it.
The mdMapper improves our work, especially in case of quality, in accuracy, and the biggest point is in case of the battery. So you can fly around about 40 minutes with one battery, and that's a big advantage.
The mdMapper1000 is the entry level at Microdrones mdMapper1000 platform, which having a camera sensor of 24 megapixel and having the advantage that at a later point of time when you grow your business, you can easily upgrade the system to a higher system like the DG or to a LiDAR system.